Hello everyone, my name is Trooper and welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you guys how to install custom weapons into your guys' FiveM server. This is going to be continuing on with the FiveM Server 2024 series, and this is going to be the next video in line. If you guys haven't already checked out that series and that playlist, then be sure to check that out just to make sure you guys are caught up with creating your FiveM server to this point. And if you guys are, then what you guys are going to want to do is hit the first link down in the description below, and that'll bring you guys right here to this nice little weapon pack here. It includes an M4A1, Glock 17, X26, and a Remington 870 shotgun, which is pretty much the basic essentials that you guys need if you guys are going to be a police officer or pretty much use the main weapons in your FiveM server. It replaces them all and gives you guys some nice new realistic ones. So what you guys are going to want to do, hit the link down in the description below, hit this link right here, will take you to the MediaFire page, hit download, and then open the download folder on up. It's actually really neatly laid out for us. If we go inside of this weapons folder right here, this is actually what we're going to need to drag and drop into our server folder. So we're going to minimize to our desktop and we're going to find our server folder. Now, if you installed it the same way that I did in the 2024 Creating a FiveM Server first video, then it's going to be on your desktop. If it's not in your desktop, then just find your FiveM server, open it on up, go to TX Data, CFX Default, and then Resources. Just briefly, I wanted to tell you guys about my new website, htnetwork.one, which actually sets up a FiveM server for you. If you guys cannot be bothered to deal with all the management and having to add in mods and things like that, you can literally just check out my website down in the description below, www.htnetwork.one, and you can set up a FiveM server in literally just a couple of seconds using the included auto installer, and it will have already over 120 plus mods. That's custom vehicles, custom maps, custom menus, literally everything you guys can need, and you literally did not have to do anything. So check that out down in the description below, www.htnetwork.one. And then inside of here is where we're going to drag this weapons folder into. So just grab it, drag and drop into our resources folder, and just like that we are done. We can close this download now, that is all done. And if we open up this weapons folder, you guys can actually see inside of here is all of our weapons mods. So it's actually already, like we have done before, organized all of our mods for us into this nice little weapons folder. So every time we install weapons mods, we can actually just use this folder. We can just drag and drop it into the existing subcategory folder. So now the last step is going to be ensuring this in our server.cfg. So we're going to left click on it to edit it, Control C the name, go back to CFX default, open up our server.cfg, scroll down to the last line of our ensure list, press enter, and we're going to do 2 hashtags, and then we're going to type weapons. This is a nice little bit of organization again, just so we know everything below here is going to be weapon related mods. Ensure, and then paste in the name of our sub folder category. Now everything inside of there will be automatically ensured. File, save, and we can close our server.cfg. And just like that, we are done. Now all we need to do is launch into our FiveM server. And once you guys have spawned into your FiveM server, you're going to use our V menu that I showed you guys how to install in the previous video. And we're going to go to player related options, and we're going to go to weapon options. We're going to scroll on down right here till we can spawn in our handguns and assault rifles, and we're going to equip either the combat pistol and then the carbine rifle and also the pump shotgun and the taser, since those are all the weapons that we replace. And if we equip one of those, for example the combat pistol, and we go into first person, you guys can see that there you go, it is replaced with a nice Glock 17 model. And again, if we select the carbine rifle, you guys can see that it is equipped and replaced with a nice little M4A1. And obviously the same with our pump shotgun, it is now a Remington 870. Really, really easy thing to do, and it definitely changes the appearance of your FiveM server to make sure you guys stand out a little bit from your standard RP servers. Hope you guys did find this video useful. If you did, please sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys are looking for an easier way to set up your next FiveM server, then be sure to check out htnetwork.one down in the description below and use their inbuilt auto installer. I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Cheers and goodbye.